Sabi ni Vice President Sara Duterte, walang batayan ang impeachment complaint na inendorso ng Akbayan Party. Funny, for something she insists has no merit, it rattled her enough to release a video message. Not to answer the serious charges, pero para atakihin ang Akbayan at ang aming senadorang si Risa Ontiveros. She even called the complaint harassment. How can something she insists is baseless harass her? Ano ba talaga, ate? Her video doesn't project confidence. Nangangamoy takot na tinatago sa bravado. Paano ba naman siyang hindi matatakot? The prospect of Congress impeaching her grows more real by the day. Simple lang naman ang hinihingi sa kanya. Ipaliwanag ang pagwaldas ng pera ng bayan. Pero hanggang ngayon, sa kabila ng napakaraming palusot, ayaw at hindi pa rin niya maipaliwanag sino ba sina Mary Grace Piatos and friends at kung saan napunta ang over 612 million in confidential and intelligence funds. Tama na ang palusot, Madam Sara. Stop panicking and prepare to be impeached.